Oh, I shall practice my curtsy.
Don't turn your back on me, Scar.
Oh no, Mufasa. Perhaps you shouldn't turn your back on me.
Is that a challenge?
Temper.
This was such a fun look to create. Stay tuned on how you can create the Scar look from Lion King. Such a great movie. If you are new to my channel, my name is Cassie Causey. Make sure you subscribe. Click the share button if you love this look, because I will be sharing many more. Let me know what the next look would be that you would like to see, and maybe I will pick yours. Before I do anything, I always prime my face, because this keeps all of the product that I am applying from entering my pores and keeps me from breaking out. So I am using Unique's mattifying primer. It just really fills in my pores and sets my face for anything that I am about to do. So Scar is a little bit of brown. He looks more orange on the movie. So I am actually using my CC Beauty color palette, and I am probably going to do a little mixture of the maroon brown, add a little yellow to lighten it some, and some of the orange here to get the tone that I want. So basically I'm going to mix a little bit of these colors until it gives me the right color blend that I want. Here's the shade that I ended up with. I actually ended up adding a little red in there because the orange color was more of a coral. So I added a lot of the yellow, a little bit of the brown, and some of the red to get the shade that I got right there. So this is going to be my base color. I use disposable wedges, and we'll just start applying a thin layer, keeping in mind other colors that you're going to add to your face. With a white liner, I just drew the arch in the forehead. I'm going to use the black from my CC Beauty color palette, and we're going to fill that in. Okay, now we're gonna do the scar. We're going to use the same color that we did on the skin to cover the eyebrow. So Scar's scar, I think, is on the right side. So what we're gonna do is grab a little bit of this color, and we are going to put it right on top of the eyebrow and blend that in with the rest of our skin, like that. Okay, now with your black, you're going to use a very thin brush, and we're going to come in here and define our brows. Just darken them a little more and really define the brows. So now we're going to take white from our color palette, and we're going to add the scar. But now we're going to focus on the mouth. So using the white, we're going to come in and add the mouth detail. So we're going to come in here and around the mouth with the white. Come in and add the detail of the nose. So I'm going to grab the black, and his nose kind of goes round and at an angle. So it'll be easier to draw out with a pencil. Let's use a liner first. So much easier. So that's kind of what you're working with there. And then I'm just going to line those up and then fill that in. So with the nose, I colored it in, and then I came down slightly down here with the black. So you can see with the black from my palette. I came down. Then in the center, I also came down. And then I drew my line straight onto the top of my lips. And then brought the line down on either side. The fun part. So I am working with a transcendent pressed powder, pressed eyeshadow, and we're going to put this all over our lid here. And grab nonsensical, and we're going to go above the crease. Then I'm going to use a blending brush and kind of blend this out here. I'm going to use Marvelous. And this is going to go on the lower lid. And we're going to use a white liner, and we're going to go inside the waterline here. Black liner, we're going to go underneath the white liner. I'm going to bring this down to a point. Now we're going to focus on the rest of the scar. That's my cat. So we are going to bring in the white, and his scar on the bottom comes in towards his nose. Add a little dimension to the scar. Take a little bit of your brown eyeshadow on a little brush, and you can come on the sides of your scar. And then pull outwards. To give this a more realistic look, I am using colored lashes from TTDI. I don't think I have a code for this, but these are the Reptile Glow Eyes. So I thought that these would look really cool for this look. You can always check them out. They have so many cool Lord have mercy, lens at a really great price. Okay, so now let's pull this look together. We are going to finish off the bottom of the face, which is mainly the black and kind of the fur. So we're gonna have fun with this. We're gonna pull together just the black. So we're gonna fill in this leftover space here and around the face with the black, and then we're gonna give it the fur appearance. So just come in here and add in your black, and we're gonna bring it down down your neck as well. Okay, so to add the little hairs, I just took a very thin brush and I pulled the black up like that, and that gave me the little thin hairlines throughout my face. So now that we have it pulled together, we're going to add just a few more details. We're going to come and really define the nose and do a little highlights. So we're going to take the yellow in our palette. So we're going to add a little yellow down the nose. And then we're going to add some right underneath the eye. And over here as well. And then we're just going to blend that in a little bit. I think I'm going to come down and add a little bit of white just to make it a little bit lighter. We kind of want the nose to be a little big, so we're going to come in wide with the nose. We're going to do a little black and a little brown. We're going to come in down here to give the nose a wide appearance. And then I'm just going to get my brush and blend this out. Keep wiping my brush off and adding powder. And we're done. I think the only thing I didn't have was the black wig. So Scar has a black mane, but this was the closest that I had. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, drop comments below. Let me know what you loved about it, and let me know what the next look you would love to see. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.